never guess where I'm going. Oh, it's gonna be good. So you probably realised by that beautiful B-roll that I'm in New York City. Oh yeah, New York City. I don't even feel nervous about vlogging here because the first thing I saw when I came out was a guy taking a shit in the middle of the street. Yep, that happened. I'm fed, water, changed, feeling fresh after, I don't know, like 12 hours of travelling. So New York is amazing as it looks. Think of any film you've ever seen with New York in it, any TV show, it's almost exactly like that. Like the people, the attitude, the pace of the city, it's genuinely amazing. But you're probably going to ask why I'm in New York, and basically I'm just in for 5 days, so I'm purely here for taking photos and getting as much footage as possible. As you all know, freelancer now, so I'm currently trying to work on a portfolio and just get some unique clips, get some stunning photos. What better place than New York? New York, New York. So I've just found out I'm in Hell's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Hell's Kitchen, where Daredevil's based in. How cool is that? Oh yeah. I've also spotted like amazing light. I'll try and show you guys. Look at that down there, just looks fantastic. Yeah, so the sun is just about to go down. The city is looking amazing. Nice golden light just shimmering right over the city. So I'm just trying to chase and maybe get some decent just nighttime sunset shots and just some decent shots of New York essentially. So let's go take some photos. Alright guys, it's me with a quick voiceover. So basically after this I just went out and took a bunch of photos. At the time I didn't think they were anything special. I did manage to grab some time lapses while I was out, as you can see. But yeah, the photos again, I just thought they were just snaps at the time, and it wasn't until I got back to the computer that I actually kind of started to like them. Again, nothing special. My favourite image of the night was favourite image from the sunset was the one of these buildings. I love the tones, the colours. Again, nothing special, but it's one of my more favourite images from the night. Alright guys, just freshened down back at the pier. I just thought it was actually lovely down there. I didn't even take any nice photos. Took some nice snaps, not actual photographs. But you just saw how lovely it was out there. So I'm heading back into the city because it looks like this. I might go out shooting now, but I might just end it right now. So thanks for watching guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Alright guys, so after this I did actually go back into the city and take some more photos. One of the street vendors really nice. I love this one of the skyline, it's one of my more favourite images. And this one of this girl looking off into the distance is perhaps one of my more favourite images I've perhaps ever taken. It just really speaks to me, and that's the kind of aesthetic style that I really like in other photographers and within my own style. This is the second part of the New York vlog. I've kind of run into like 2 issues. I recorded the whole vlog yesterday and I listened to it all back, and then it sounded a little bit like this. How's it going? How's it going? Welcome back to part. Not the best, is it? So this, my microphone is broken. The second issue is this. Today I was meant to be going skating with one of my friends, JP, who I met at Winter Clash, but this rainy weather doesn't really go well with skating, so I'm not entirely sure what's going to happen. I think we're still going to meet up, maybe go for some food, maybe some beers at some point, but I'm not entirely sure if the time's altered or whatever. So while I figure out what I'm going to do today, I think I'll just show you the footage that I got from yesterday and maybe some of the photos I got. So enjoy. What's happening, guys? My friend is downstairs in the lobby. So it's my friend JP. He runs Butter TV. It's a rollerblading thing. I'll link in the description. So I'm not entirely sure what we're going to do. I think it's food and drinks, and yeah, just having some fun. So let's go see him now. Bye. Why'd you bring me here?
Trouble. This place is trouble. Look at everything that's here. Whatever you need, you have everything. Plus, more than what you need. And you end up buying all of it.
This is like having like a physical Amazon. It's ridiculous. This place is ridiculous. So we're in B&H, massive like computer store, like massive. I didn't realize what I was coming into when I got brought in here. Been here for like 10 minutes and I've spent $300 already. She knows, she's in on it. She makes me spend all this money. So much nice lighting. I just need to be like here, like nice soft lighting. We got nice soft lighting, softer lighting. Some not so soft lighting. So we're out here and we're playing a VR set. It's amazing. You know it's VR.
Get in there. Paul, what's going on over there?
I can't see anything. I got killed. Different. What is good? Future Paul is going to jump in just here. So basically after this, I went out and got a little bit too drunk. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers.
Hey. Met some weird people.
What does Brooklyn pizza and a blowjob have in common?
I don't know. What do they have?
Even when it ain't that good, it ain't that bad. What I chew? What I chew? Bobo Street, not what I chew. Bobo Street, not what I chew. Espelotto, Bobo Street, not what I chew.
Bobo Street, not what I chew. Getting it, nailing it.
Espelotto, Bobo Street, not what I chew.
Yeah, but it was good fun. But basically all the talking stuff was just me slurring and just being a mess. What's up, guys? So I am out at an Irish bar in New York, hospitality driven. And he's like, what's that? And then I just saw some random human being. But yeah, nonetheless, still fun. So I'll let you get back, so enjoy. Good morning, guys, welcome back. Today is one of the days I'm looking so forward to because we're doing a helicopter ride across New York City. The sun might come out, it's a little bit overcast at the moment, so it just, but hopefully the sun just peeks out for those couple of, like, for like half an hour or 15 minutes. About to leave to go down to the heliport, Pier 6, which is like 4 miles at the bottom of the island. That way, I believe, like that way. So let's head off there now. Bye! what's happening, everybody? So I'm just about to get on the helicopter in about half an hour. I am super pumped at this, just seeing them all now. So cool. I think I might have to move here. I think that's going to be the goal. Move to New York. Or just buy a helicopter, I don't know. But oh, it's going to be good. So I think we should cut to the B-roll segment right now. Yeah? Cool. Bye. I've just finished the helicopter ride. It was amazing. It's a bit windy now, but yeah. Oh, that was so much fucking fun. You never get to see the city like that again. So yeah, that was just fucking brilliant. I don't even know if I can describe it properly. So I think the plan is now to find a skate park and do some skating. Hopefully meet up with a few skaters. Yeah, just enjoy the rest of the trip, I guess. Woo! Hey guys, so thanks for watching. I'm just going to jump in now because the outro that I did film when I was in New York was terrible. I was super tired and drained, and yeah. So basically after the helicopter ride I went skating. I wasn't the best skating. I was getting super tired. It was a park that I've never skated before, so super sketchy. I'll overlay some of the clips at the end of this, and I apologise if the vlog seems a little bit all over the place. I'm just trying to work on my storytelling and it's one of my weaker points, so but I'm still learning, so I'm next vlog much better, promise. Basically New York was amazing. Cinematographer and photographer's dream to go there. Just every avenue you turn down there is something amazing. One thing that I kind of misplaced the footage, I think, is when I was there I actually got to do a photo shoot. I really enjoyed it. That was really good. One of my first proper photo shoots. If you go over to my Instagram, so it's @pickfrompaul, I'll link it somewhere here below, whatever. If you like to see actually all the photos that I took during that trip, the ones I really liked, they're up there. So go. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like, and if you got any input, drop a wee comment. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.